In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 4K quality on CapCut. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So let's open our CapCut and then I'll create a new project, it doesn't matter basically. And now we can just add some videos. So the first thing you need to know is that the CapCut is a program which adds something to our video. So the first thing you need to understand that this video that you're importing in this app should be in the highest quality which is possible. It's better to be like 4K or even 8K because you won't be able to like make 4K from 360 HP video. Basically, it's the first step. So you need to download it in the highest quality or just create it in the highest quality. You can change the camera parameters or do some other stuff to increase the quality. So this is the only one way how we can then export it in the 4K quality from our CapCut. Yeah. So now we can just add some cuts, add some edits. I won't do this basically. I will just only delete the add at the end. So now everything is ready to be exported. Now we need to change the exporting parameters here. How can we do this? In the right top corner, as you can see, I have the quality settings. So now I want to change it, like to change our resolution to 2K right up here, to increase it, like to change it to the right size. After that, I also suggest you to increase the frame rate, so from 30 to 16 right up here. And then, as you can see, we can also add some HDR, right? The smart HDR. I also suggest you to turn it on to make the quality like in the highest. So after that, as you can see, when we are changing our parameters, we can see the estimate file size in the middle of the screen right up here. So now it's like 350 megabytes. So if you'll like make our quality less, you can see that now it's like only 55. So make sure that it fits to your device or some other stuff. So after that, everything is ready and we can just click on export in the right top corner. So after that, the export process will start and it may take a little bit more time than it takes when you're exporting in the lowest quality. So guys, basically this is a way how you can do this on your device. I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my art tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.